Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a Froglight in Minecraft. For that we just need to take some glowstone dust and some dyes. Let's take purple dye, yellow dye and green dye. And we need to open the crafting table and put them like that, one by one. And as you can see, I've just crafted a Froglight. You can use it with any dye. Let's try purple. Yeah, purple. And the last one is yellow. As you can see, I've just crafted all of the Froglights. You may ask, guys, how did I do that? Because you cannot craft a Froglights in vanilla Minecraft. And yes, of course you cannot. But the thing is, I'm using a data pack. You can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description. You just click download data pack and you install it to your Minecraft world. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.